Hello, I'm Christoph, CTO of Nimagna, and today I'm really excited to show you what we added into our latest release that came out just a couple of days ago. First of all, we added video recording. Until now, you were able to use Nimagna in online sessions such as Teams, Google Meet, or Zoom calls. But with video recording, you're able to record your video messages, online courses, or screen captures and distribute them on any platform that you wish. Let's have a look how video recording feature actually works. It's as easy as using the record button on the top right. After a couple of seconds for you to prepare, the recording indicator shows you that the video recording is turned on. Once done, the video file is available immediately for you to use and distribute on any platform that you wish. The recording settings allow you to configure the input device, the microphone, how Nimagna saves the file and handles videos that contain audio, and advanced settings for encoding of your video files. With the addition of the recording feature, we spent some time into streamlining the user experience to use Nimagna much more efficient. First of all, we added a new indicator showing you how the input camera and output feed are configured and whether they are working correctly or not. Show settings and camera configuration are still accessible directly, while the settings, account information and help are hidden behind the three dots. We added this tool for you to switch between presenter mode and edit mode back and forth, and added a new tool to turn off the feed going into the Nimagna camera and to your online call. And last but not least, of course, the new recording feature. With video recording being very performance demanding, we spent a lot of time into overhauling our graphics rendering backend, such that using Nimagna is as efficient as possible and allows you to use other tools besides Nimagna in a convenient manner. Last but not least, we added a lot more small tiny features that make usage of Nimagna on a daily basis very efficient and useful. And with that, I'm done and hand over the stage to you to use Nimagna, and have a great day. Thank you very much and goodbye.